Hello guys, today we are going to be unboxing our 56-inch double bank top chest for our toolbox. Right here. It's going to sit right up here, nice and comfy. So let's get to it. Ooh, this is sharp.
The mic can raise it right up off the pallet. I think it probably take 2 hands.
These little edge pieces.
They might come in handy later.
Wall protectors. Okay. So it is. It's covered in plastic and wrap.
You ready?
Okay, so we got the box off. Now take off this protective covering. Ooh, it's shiny.
Now it just needs to jump up and on top, right?
Yep, so you should be able to go like this.
That'd be a nice area to store tools right there.
Yeah. Right here. Pretty nice. Don't know what that is. It's a US General. Has a little latch right here. Probably that goes to the key. Wonder if it's locked. This came in such more fancier packaging than the other. See, it has a thing. So you can do that. Take one out. Oh.
Well, it's unlocked. I guess leave it
It's
unlocked.
not unlocked, I don't think.
Oh, just the top was? Okay.
Yeah. The top, I don't know.
You're right. The bottom drawers are locked.
Oh, okay. So here are some drawers, other drawers. They look pretty nice. It has air vents at the back. They have a cover on. It's foam in here. And it also has air vents on the bottom side. Should be able to take it out.
That's okay. Just close the drawer. It'll be fine.
Well, I locked it again, but yeah. There's. Oh, yeah.
it'll be facing right to sit on top of that one?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll probably slide better on the metal than it would. And I ain't worried about scratching the bottom of it. Because that ain't gonna be seen. Down a little bit. Down a little bit. Down a little bit. Slide over. All right. Slide it.
It's actually got some grooves underneath it.
A little bit. Alright. Oh, let me get a foot. Oh, grandpa. I'll get it.
Part of the video hog afraid for the money.
Yeah, I mean it's
Something starts with
it's not snap on, but it's short.
Anyway, let's see you do it.
It's pretty nice. Yeah.
Are the seats? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, give us something to keep our fingers smashed.
Maybe.
You want to come to the edge of the toolbox, tilt the edge off, and then back out, or what do you think?
Whatever you think. That wood ain't as thick as the forks. I guess if I got about where you thought it was, I could kind of tilt it forward.
Okay.
And two people hold it and I slide out.
All right.
Love when you got it.
Yeah, come forward just a little bit.
We can
All
always
right. I
move
think we can
that.
work it from there.
You can center this
Yeah, tilt
around.
it forward. All right. That's it. That's good.
We kind of back.
There you go.
Okay, come on out. I sure appreciate it.
No problem.
I'll get y'all steak dinner or airplane rock if you're broke.
I'll let you get a few practice
Yeah.
hours in.
Work smart, not hard.
Yeah, okay. That's what I say.
Troy. Appreciate you thinking that.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, probably kind of picked up on it, but don't get in fingers. Okay. Don't get in fingers.
There we go. And we have a toolbox.
Oh, we got a general over there. They ain't this big though.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
We got a, is that for lights or something?
Mm-hmm, yeah. It's got a drawer for charging all the drills.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep them all in there, put all my tools in here. So looking for buildings, I should lose them all in one box.